some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted.
You could bet that, never gotta sweet that. You could bet that, never gotta sweet that.
Cash, I'll be the rubber man, you be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top, I can be the phone. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and eyes with your pretty little hands. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when it's you or die, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. This is love, it's a short thing.
Bet that, never gotta sweet that. Bet that, never gotta sweet that. Bet that, never gotta sweet that. Bet that, never gotta sweet that.
Be the fire, baby. If I'm a blunt, be the lighter.
Bet that, never gotta sweet that. You could bet that, never gotta sweet that.
Cash, I'll be the rubber man, you be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top, I can be the phone. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and eyes with your pretty little hands. Even when we're down to the wire, baby, even when it's you or die, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. This is love, it's a short thing.
Bet that, never gotta sweet that. Bet that, never gotta sweet that. Bet that, never gotta sweet that. Bet that, never gotta sweet that.
Be the fire, baby. If I'm a blunt, be the lighter.
I just wanna rock you all night long.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go about 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they saying it's before they mention my name.
Y'all, I was gonna move like these. Y'all didn't think that I could move like me. Said I told y'all I was gonna move like these. Turn around and I make it jump like these. Wanna keep that boy and make it jump like these.
I just wanna rock you all night long.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches that don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that, I'll never make you feel like that. Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
Hi guys, it's Future Asia here. Next clip, I'm doing my own DIY photo shoot and I'm just gonna show y'all. And then I installed a wig, took pics and everything, which will be posted on my Instagram on my birthday though, January 21st. So Make sure you follow my Instagram and everything. I'll see y'all in the next clip.
That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Telling you give, but you cannot take love. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Telling you give, but you cannot take love.
5 in the morning, I wake up to fight for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Praying to the one you're inviting. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are troubling me. Ready to give up, I think. Ready to be on my way, my mind. Wanting to be other side. Ready to leave my life. Ready try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need, I really need, I know. I really need, I really need, I know. I really need, I really need, I know. I really need, I need to feel my mind out. I really need, I really need, I know. I really need, I need to feel my mind out. I really need, I really need, I know. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me love that you cannot fix. One is the joy that you cannot. 5 in the morning, I wake up to fight for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Ready to the one you're inviting. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are troubling me. Ready to give up, I think. Ready to be on my way, my mind. Wanting to be other side. Ready to leave my life. Ready try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need, I really need.
Okay guys, so the hair is installed. Yeah, just don't look too close. Okay, I'm about to do my lashes real quick and my 2 gems so I can take my photos and then take everything off. Guys, so I did my 2 gems real quick, just 2 little hearts, and then I did my press-on nails. These are so cute. They're from TikTok. I'm going for like a gold theme. Damn. Jump scare. Guys, so update. It's been a few days since I last saw y'all. Took the pics. They look fire. Super excited to post them. These are my nails. I just did them. They're press-ons. Duck nails. I'm waiting till it gets closer to my birthday to get my nails actually done. It's so cute. Duck nails for the win. And, you know, my Jesus clip. And I just got my hair straightened, re-straightened. Y'all, my curls look so good. I almost was about to cancel my appointment. Every time I'm getting my hair done, my curls want to look good. But tomorrow, I'm going to get grills with my girls. Super excited about that. It's going to be a good day tomorrow, and I'm going to be vlogging for y'all. That's it? Yes. Okay. Hey guys, so I didn't show y'all an OOTD and I really wanted to, but I have this fur hat now with a pink babe jacket and these jeans that I did myself. I put rhinestones at the front. The fur belt I also made myself, and then these pink Timbs. Today we got grills, and I picked up me and my friend's grill. Even though we went early, I had to pick it up at like 6 o'clock. First, I want to show y'all mine. I got open face, and then a 4 like star. I love it so much. So I want to show y'all my friends, the ones that they designed. Leo's drawer. Cute. It's like a heart. Super cute. And then it was also silver. And it came with a pink cloth. Other friend, she got gold, and she just wanted like a simple set, but you know, it's super cute still. She got an open face and a closed face and 10K gold. I cannot wait to give it to them. That is all for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm gonna be consistent with like these birthday files because I have a lot of stuff still planned. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, comment, and also subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.